Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. First of all, I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Any stocks discussed on the video are not to be considered investment recommendations. Investing of any kind involves risk. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. Consult your financial or tax professional prior to making an investment. So, what about Hyliion? Hyliion produces electrified powertrain systems that can augment or fully replace traditional diesel or natural gas-fueled powertrains. Its systems are designed to improve performance and lower total cost of ownership while leveraging the existing alternative fuel infrastructure. At October 1st, Hyliion Inc., a leader in electrified powertrain solutions for Class 8 commercial vehicles, announced it has completed its business combination with Tortoise Acquisition Corp. The business combination, which was approved by Tortoise Corp stockholders on September 28, 2020, will result in the combined company being renamed Hyliion Holdings Corp., with its common stock being listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol HYLN, and its warrants listed under the ticker symbol HYLNWS. The completion of our merger greatly accelerates Hyliion's growth plans and unlocks the potential value of our business, said Thomas Healy, CEO and founder of Hyliion. Thomas Healy said, "One of the real value adds is how do you drive better efficiency by leveraging data and analytics of the vehicle as opposed to just having an electric system. It's kind of a controls algorithm that goes behind it. We're constantly sending that information up to the cloud and monitoring the vehicle in real time. And then we're able to supply that directly to the fleets. Better fuel economy reduces total cost of ownership and drives purchase decisions. We're doing the system integration and all of the software that goes around it. We are experiencing strong interest for our solutions and are utilizing our resources to develop a scaled infrastructure that will be able to support demand from this $800 billion market." The bottom line, for now, is that the company probably won't be reporting any meaningful sales for at least the next 2 years. Like any other pre-revenue company, Hyliion is banking heavily on positive developments to drive its stock price higher. However, in light of the stock's performance in recent weeks, it seems that investors aren't buying into the hype at this point. The three analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Hyliion Holdings Corp. Have a median target of 22, with a high estimate of 27 and a low estimate of 20. The median estimate represents a plus 25.57 increase from the last price of 17.52. After all, we believe that the price at the end of January 2021 can be between $30 and $40, and if all goes well we expect the stock price to reach 80 by the end of 2021. Thanks a lot for watching this video and have a great day. Please like and subscribe our channel.